Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making the layout of a level that I'm trying to make. So as you can already see, I've done a wee bit. I know, not the song. We'll try play test it. We have this jump, then let me get start position. Alright, and then you have that, which you jump into. Then you have to try and get through those saw blades. Yeah, and show you what I mean. Hang on. Give me a second. I know it's possible, I've done it. Yeah, like that. Then I'm probably gonna make a ball part. Let's see, so. So maybe I'll move this portal, like, there when it be in sync, so it's like. Yeah. And see. So maybe I'm gonna, like, Geek Spike. Maybe I won't put a real one there. Then, let's see. I'm gonna put an actual one there, but I'm gonna make it invisible. You can just go to edit objects, then go to X and press hide instead of using the alpha trigger. It's not very useful. Nah, not that. See, I'm gonna get that. Then I'm gonna do that too. Alright, now, see, I'm gonna do this. Wait, let me place the spike. There we go. Now, I feel like I've already selected it for some reason. Okay, now I'm actually gonna do this. See, I'm gonna get this. And then this. I'm just gonna go ahead and go extra height. Okay, right. So now I've got a jump. Let's see. Then gonna be like a spike up here. Let's see. I'm just gonna make it so you're like you do that. So don't really have no reaction time from where I put the start position. Yeah, it's not like that. So clear it. Hang on. I'm not putting multi-activate in this. Don't really want. Anyway, after you've done that, obviously you'll jump over this, and it's possible, isn't it? And let me check. See. Yep. Yeah, very little reaction time here. Yeah, it's definitely possible. So, now I've done that. I'm thinking of maybe making like, and see, maybe I'll make one here, like a ball park. like that, I'm thinking. Then, see, like, I'm gonna delete those, make those blocks. Yeah. See, so now that I have that, I'm gonna just copy this, like that. Then I'm gonna turn it around and do that. Let's see, is that even possible? I don't know. Let's see, start position. I don't know, this is awesome. Alright, let me turn on the hitboxes. See. You know, probably this is gonna hell because it's not on. I think that's something like half a block. Need a block. Select the lamp. Gonna like that. I think that's possible. It's like a frame perfect. I'm gonna be honest. Maybe I'll move it at 1.75 blocks. So a block and 3/4. See, don't know how much this is. I'm just gonna like eyeball this. Well, that's 1.5. See about there's 1.75. See it. Almost. Guys, by the way, I haven't picked a name for this, so you can think of one, put in the comments. I think it's like I know I'm done. Do one at a time. Yeah, just copy and paste it and move up there. See, now that I've done that, I'm just gonna maybe place that there. And I'm gonna like, hang on, is there a longer version of that? Yeah. No. I'm just gonna make a big like, see, Tama. Yeah, that's fine. Now I've got this wall cut. I'm gonna see if it's possible. It definitely seems more possible. I'll go on menu. Load that one more tiny bit. Let's see. Right, finally. No, this is too easy. Yep. Maybe we'll have to make it harder. Well, not that, but you see how. See, first I'm gonna select this. I'm just gonna make a wee tower. It's just a tiny tower. Then I'm gonna turn into like this. Ah, suppose I could show you what I wanna do, but yeah. So if I go to here, I'll just go here. See, let's go to Geometry Dash. See, cycles. You probably know what I wanna do. This. The first coin in cycles. People think it's hard, but I'm going to be honest, I don't. So I'm gonna buff it, and you're not gonna get a coin, sadly. But this, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna go back to the level. Let's see. Maybe I like. Hmm. Let's see. And then is there enough room for the ball? And yeah, at the top, like that. Yeah, just copy and paste and copy and paste that. Let's see. I've done that. And then my cycle's gonna buff it. That's what I'm doing. Just gonna move that up a tiny bit. See. Down a little bit. Over there. Right there. And then, yeah. Let's see. Making like a miniature version of that. Like that. Then over here, I'm just gonna make it spikes. Let's see. Like that. So this ball click might be pretty hard. Might be impossible. Hope not. Let's see. I think it's impossible because of those spikes. If I move them. I want to get in such a way so it's like you can like it makes it hard, but you can't just like not do anything and you'll get through it. Let's see what this. Probably like that. I'll just delete that. One pen is like fallen parts down here. Okay. Yeah, like that. Yeah, nah, I'm just gonna ignore it. I'll do the details later. This is just the layout. What's the point of that? Right, anyway. Sofa. Ah, how am I doing? Yeah, like that. Then you find the half slab. Yeah, nah. See, so I'm gonna make it like here so you can just barely get under those spikes. And now, maybe I'll just make some simple, basic structures. Let's see. Now, I'm just gonna grab these, flip them around. Right, this is going pretty good. Maybe I'll move this down one. Ah, see there. Yeah. Then maybe like drop down a few orbs. So like, wait, I gotta get this. Man, why can I not get past this? I know you go one too far. Yes, so you're like that. Now, gonna get some ground spike. Not good, doesn't matter. I don't find the chains. Don't know why. It's not actually be like, it's not hanging. Yeah. Maybe I'll make a really touch on it. Like that. Right. So I'm gonna make like a little miniature. So yeah, this is the wee miniature ball part. And let's see. I kind of want to use switch game modes. Maybe he'll switch into a UFO. Nah. Oh, robot. Yeah. Let's see. Maybe do like a tight robot jump. Either way, I'm gonna be trying to complete this. Let's make a pillar like that. So like complete the ball part. And it's a robot and you have to go through there. It's actually easier than you think. Just need to like really tiny click. Only we kinda heavy skipping that. Just on those ground spikes. No, we're not gonna be using them for the ground. rather the ceiling. Kind of want to make that thing in the finger dash, like, with the sign. I'm gonna do that. See. Now I'm gonna like turn it. It's like, yeah. I'm gonna put that iconic skull. Like that. See, now that I've done that. Right. Thinking. Sorry, just plugging in my headphones. So you can do a trick with the robot, where basically, right, where basically you can like just do the start session there. Apparently, if you like hold the robot, you can like just jump super high. No, not like that. Well, anyway, nah. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Sorry, just me coughing. How about I wanna like do something with the robot? How about I do like to like long jump? You have to perform 6 spikes, so it should be like fine-ish. Hang on. Almost. I don't think 6 spikes are possible actually. Maybe I'll just do 5 in a little bit. Okay, that'll do it. Now, okay guys, I'm afraid I might end it here. This is all of episode 1 of creating my level. I've done quite a lot, but it took a lot of thinking, so at the same time, not really a lot. But if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.